Hi, everyone. Luke here. I'm really excited today. And trust me, I mean really excited. Why? Because today we're doing something different. Something fun. Something a little mysterious. I'm going to read a short mystery story for you. Don't worry, the story is simple, the sentences are clear, and the vocabulary is perfect for beginners. And here's the thing. I love mystery stories. They make you curious. They make you listen carefully. And that's great for your English. So grab your headphones, relax, and let's start this mystery together. Ready? Let's begin. This story is about a girl named Emily Carter. She lived in a small, quiet town called Maplewood, a town surrounded by tall green trees, old wooden houses, and long, empty roads. Emily was 16. She was friendly, curious, and always loved exploring nature. One Saturday morning, she told her mom, "I'm going to take a walk in Pinewood Forest. I'll be back soon." Her mom smiled. "Okay, Emily, be careful." It was a normal day, a sunny day, nothing strange, nothing dangerous. Emily put on her backpack, closed the door, and walked toward the forest. But that was the last time anyone saw her. Emily entered Pinewood Forest around 10 a.m. She sent one text message to her best friend at 10:14 a.m. It said, "I love this place. So quiet today." After that, no more messages. Hours passed. The sun went down. Her mom waited and waited and waited. At 7 p.m., she called the police. "Emily is not home. She's never late. Something is wrong." The police started looking immediately. They searched the forest. They called her name. They used flashlights. They followed small trails, but they found nothing. People in the town got scared. Everyone knew Emily. Everyone liked her. The next morning, the search became bigger. Police officers, neighbors, firefighters, hundreds of people walked through the trees, checking every corner of the forest. A dog found Emily's backpack near a small river. Inside it, there was a bottle of water, a notebook, a pen, and one apple. But Emily was gone. No footprints, no signs of running, no broken branches, nothing. It was like she simply disappeared. 2 days later, the story was everywhere. "Teenage girl missing in Pinewood Forest," said the big headline in Maplewood's main newspaper. People were confused. How does a girl disappear in a small forest, in a small town, on a sunny day? Police officers continued the search for weeks. Helicopters flew over the trees. Drones scanned the area. Volunteers checked lakes, rivers, old cabins. any place Emily could possibly be. But nothing new appeared. Her family put posters on every street. "Have you seen Emily? Please call." Time passed. 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. Still nothing. People started whispering strange theories. Maybe she got lost. Maybe she ran away. No, Emily would never do that. Maybe someone took her. Maybe she found something dangerous. The fear grew stronger. Parents told their kids not to go near the forest. Pinewood Forest became a quiet, sad place. No laughter, no picnics, no hikers. Now, here's the part that still surprises people. 10 years passed. Emily never returned. Every year, on the same day she disappeared, people in Maplewood walk to the entrance of Pinewood Forest with candles. They say, "We remember you, Emily." Emily's family still keeps her room the same. The books on her desk, the posters on her wall, her favorite blue jacket, her photo smiling. Police officers still receive messages about her case, reports, ideas, theories, but the mystery remains. Some people say they sometimes hear footsteps deep in the forest. Others say they see a small light between the trees at night. Nobody knows if it's real or just imagination. One thing is certain. Emily Carter became a legend in Maplewood, the forest girl who never returned. Wow. That story always gives me chills. And hey, if you listened all the way to the end, I'm proud of you. Mystery stories are a great way to practice English because they make you curious, and curiosity helps your brain remember details. If you want to get better at reading, try listening to the story more than once. Repetition helps so much, trust me. And by the way, if you enjoy these mystery stories, feel free to tell me in the comments. I actually read them. In the next episodes, we can explore more stories, more vocabulary, more adventures, all while learning English together. See you soon.